So hello, my colleagues, and I hope everyone is well this evening. So one of your fellow students had a question about problem 16 right here. And it says, suppose the interest rate is 8% APR with monthly compounding. What is the present value of an annuity that pays $100 every 6 months for 5 years? So 6 months for 5 years, this is 10 periods. Is that correct? This is 10 6-month periods. Is everyone clear about that? Two 6-month periods every year times 5 years. All right, so let's look at the formula or equation first. Here's the timeline. So it pays you $100 every 6 months, right? So you're going to end up with 10 payments of $100 every 6 months. Does everyone see this timeline? Now Now we've got to do everything in terms of months first of all, and then we'll basically turn it into 6 months. Okay. So here we are. Here's the APR, which is going to be 8%. You see that? 8% divided by 12 months. So now we have a monthly APR, and we're going to turn that into a 6-month interest rate. And you see, I believe this is either 5.1 or 5.2, the equations. Okay. So we turn this into a 6-month interest rate. Okay. And a 6-month interest rate is slightly higher than 4%. You would normally think, most people think they take half of that. So you can see there's an effective rate going on here. So here's the effective rate, which someone calculated correctly. All right, so this I think it's 5.2 maybe, or equation. All right, now this is the present value of an annuity, which was in one of the sample problems in the book. And again, I'm sorry, we didn't go over this, but this gives you the present value of an annuity, this equation. And if you didn't want to bother with this, we can use Excel in a bit. But anyway, you just got to plug in here 100 for the cash flow. You take this interest rate, put it there. You see that? That goes there, which is here. And then it's 1 minus 1 over 1 plus the interest rate. Remember to convert this to a decimal. Everyone see that? Convert that to a decimal. See it? And again, now it's 10 periods, right? Everyone see the 10 periods? Okay, so it comes out to 808.39. Okay, so remember you use 6 for this to get a 6-month interest rate. But then you got to use 10 periods for this to get the present value. Okay, so anyway, these are the equations. This one here and this one here. And I believe they use that in one of the examples in the book. So that being the case, let's look at the Excel version, okay? And this is real simple, right? Again, here's the same timeline. And here is the equation again we looked at to get the 6-month interest rate, 4.067%. You see, we plugged in. All right, so now all we do is go to Excel, 10 payment periods. Here's the rate we just calculated. Here's the payment. Remember to make that a minus 100, right? You got to flip it around, okay, so the signs are correct. And you can see, you just click on present value, or it'll do it for you automatically, 808.39. So here's the Excel formula, okay? So that's all you had to do, and it does match the equation exactly, okay? I hope I'm clear with that. And if not, email me back. All right, have a good evening, everybody.